Hi, I'm Christina and this is Tyge.
We are Demo to Reno and we are partnering with MasterStroke by Resene to transform our master bedroom.
The aim and the vision for this room is we want it to feel like a sanctuary for us.
And a place for us to relax.
And to achieve this, we're going to create a really cozy lounge in our room. A place for us to get away from the kids, have some peace and quiet, and chill out.
Now, would it really be a Demo to Reno transformation if we didn't head down to our Resene ColorShop to check out some colors and get inspired?
Okay, Brenda, we're now working on our master bedroom, which I'm very excited about. The whole idea with this room is I want it to feel like a sanctuary, very calming and relaxing, and going for some beautiful whites.
Is it a sunny room?
It's a very sunny room with really high ceilings.
This one here, Christina, Resene Black White. It's not too glary. There's a lovely softness to it. So I think you should give that one a try.
First thing on the list is we need to sand and prep all the timber. Now it is ready for the Resene Sureseal pigmented sealer. What I like to do is put it in a smaller tin. If you're dipping your brush into the main tin, you can contaminate the paint, and it's easy, got a handle, nice and small.
Now, call me biased, but I actually think this might be my favorite room in the entire house because this is our room.
I don't know what you mean by think. It is definitely the best room. It's where we're gonna come and relax and get away from all the noise and hustle and bustle in the house.
To achieve this look, we used Resene Black White on the walls and Resene Quarter Black White on the ceilings. Now, what this has done is it's created this really seamless look coming up the walls, up to the ceiling, and it has created that lofty, airy look we were going for.
The main thing I've noticed is just how much bigger this room feels, and for a guy my size, that's just perfect.
Finishing touches in this room include brand new curtains, these amazing chandelier pendants, and of course, our massive 4-poster bed.
And please do not forget my big TV, which finishes off our lounge. Renovation complete.